Hello grammar enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into another topic which is 10 different ways to say thank you for birthday wishes. Let's explore 10 alternatives that will add flair to your expressions. 10 different ways to say thank you for birthday wishes. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Thank you so much for your wishes. Appreciate the kind words. I really appreciate your kind words. Really mean it, thanks. I mean it when I say thank you. I can't say thank you enough. There's just aren't enough thanks. You are too kind. That's too generous. You didn't need to do all that. Most generous gesture. What an incredibly generous present. Truly grateful. I am truly grateful for your support. Deeply appreciate it. My deepest appreciations goes to my family. Such a delightful surprise. Oh wow, what a delightful surprise. Thank you for being part of another year. It means a lot to me to share another year with friends like you.